Today I will show you the gadgets that you won't believe these fear gadgets are real. This is a spider catcher. It helps you pick up the creepy crawlies and throw them outside without having to get your hands dirty. This device lets you clean out your ears and has a camera which connects to your mobile phone so you can have a look inside. These are levitating lamps which gives a magical floating effect and our greatest home decoration. This rearless camera has motion sensor so opens up without you having to press any buttons. This is a self-steering mug so you don't get your spoons dirty and it stirs by pressing a button. This car gap filler ensures that you don't lose any of the stuff that ends up falling in the middle. This is a USB drinks cooler which lets you keep your drinks and snack cool in the summer. This is a vacuum cleaner for your mattress which keeps UV lights to clean your bed. This gooey thing cleans the hard to reach parts of your car, leaving it squeaky clean. This is a tray which lets you carry loads of drink together and ensure they don't tip over. Plus you can do a 360 swell. This is a robot vacuum cleaner which cleans and mops your house for you so you can relax. This waterproof phone holder lets you watch videos in the shower. This device looks like a book but it actually a lamp which comes with a remote and its colors can be customized. This is a Bluetooth button. It connects your phone or tablet and lets you scroll through TikTok without having to swipe your screen. This mouse mover plugs into your computer or laptop and moves your mouse around for you while you are at work so you can relax or play games all day. This LED flick light which sticks to the back of your car and let you appreciate the other drivers on the road. This is a laser Bluetooth keyboard which projects into any flat surface and connects to a mobile phone. This device is a key finder which beeps when you press the remote so you can find your keys and other household items. If you hate having warm drinks, this USB drinks cooler can keep your drinks cold in the summer. It's lightweight and portable so you can even use it in your car. This is a retro style Bluetooth keyboard which can be connected to your mobile phone or tablet. If you struggle to open jars, this is an automatic jar opener which can do it for you in just a click of button. This device lets you measure distances accurately without having to use a traditional tape measure. This is a thermal label printer which doesn't require any ink so you can label all your kitchen and household items. This alarm clock has wheels so you never oversleep again. This is a collapsible pizza container which can store your slices perfectly and comes with mini trays you can use in the microwave. This is a cheese grater which grates your cheese within seconds and just insert the block of cheese and twist the handle around. This looks like a bicycle but it is actually a food slicer perfect for your naan, bread or pizza. It is easy to clean and store and even comes with a mini bike stand. This is an electric handle whisk which make it easy to pour milk coffee and other hot drinks without getting your hands tired. These are bottle caps for your canned drinks. You don't have to put your mouth to them or waste them and can store them to finish later. If you don't know where to pull all of your shopper bags, this is a bag dispenser which sticks to the back of your cabinets and lets you dispense them when needed. This is an air fryer which lets you cook your favorite food and saves you from frying them in oil. This is a robot bin which has motion sensor so you don't need to touch it. This is a rice dispenser which allows you to dispense the correct amount each time while keeping it fresh. This gadget automatically stirs your food for you so you don't have to stand around and stir it manually all day, and it is useful for those who have a physical impairment. This is a mobile phone cover for your iPhone which has built-in games. This sanitizer box uses UV lights to sanitize your phone, jewelry and other household items. This is a phone locker which stops you from using your mobile phone whilst allowing you to take any emergency calls. These earbuds can light up and the colors can be customized. If your phone keeps overheating, this MagSafe cooler sticks to the back of your iPhone and keeps the temperature low. This is a magnetic phone mount which sticks to your laptop so you can watch videos while you are at work. This is an earbud cleaning brush kit so you can keep it squeaky clean. This thermal label printer which can print labels without using any ink so you can label all of your household items. This Bluetooth speaker has customized RGB lights to give you a futuristic experience. These are scissors which have a built-in laser so you can trace and cut easily. These gloves have LED lights so you can search for stuff in the dark. This device charges your phone, AirPods and Apple Watch simultaneously so you don't need multiple cables. This is a magnetic fidget pen which can be used to write and to play games on your iPad. This is a bottle which reminds you to drink more water. It connects to your mobile phone and lights up throughout the day whenever it's time.